Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook original pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of pancake mix, 3/4 of a cup of milk or water, and 1 large egg if you prefer a richer pancake. Preheat your griddle to a medium heat, about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and lightly grease it. This ensures your pancakes cook evenly and don't stick. Now let's mix that batter. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of pancake mix with 3/4 of a cup of milk or water and your optional egg. Stir gently with a whisk or fork until the ingredients are just combined. It's perfectly fine and even desirable to have a few small lumps. Overmixing develops the gluten, resulting in a tougher pancake, so resist the urge to stir too much. Time to cook. Pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake onto your preheated, lightly greased griddle. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. You'll know it's ready to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until both sides are a beautiful golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with butter, syrup, fresh fruit, or any topping you love. If you're making a big batch, you can keep cooked pancakes warm on a baking sheet in an oven set to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. For an extra fluffy texture, let your batter rest for 5 minutes before cooking. Enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.